Please check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, I'll open 1982 Donruss Baseball Cards. Let's see what kind of buried treasures are find. There, got a chicken. Mike Health. Keith. I got a bunch of his cards for the years. Oh, Hall of Famer. What is that, Sexton? Sexton. Interesting name. Could be Hall of Famer. Two Hall of Famer. Riley. Sword. John Henry Johnson. Scored the evil checklist. And you got Hall of Famer. But manager. Alex Trivo. Let's see. I got pick with that better. Tom Witch. How was I try? I never get his rookie card in a package. But he's been my dream. John Sisson. Marsh. What's the name? UL Washington. I think he changed his name. I got a bunch of his cards. This guy's been. Oh, George Brett, Hall of Famer. Maybe one of these I'll get a package of rookie cards. That'd be kind of wonderful. Welch. He was like last pitcher to have 25 wins or something. Larry Boone. Oh, hell yeah. Duncan. Tennis. Peter. Erwin Sosa. John Lynch. Lynn. And the last one. Oh, Koriski, one of his last cards. Hall of Famer. That's pretty cool. Thanks for letting. I really could have this. His son with the Giants right. I mean, his grandson's with the Giants right now. That's really good to have. So like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'll maybe do better next time. Thank you.